Ideally, you have a photographer and a filmer in every skate mission, but sometimes there's only one camera. Even though skateboarders love photography, video is the proof that tricks were landed. So if you gave a skater the option between photo and video, everyone loves photo, they'd probably pick video. So having a camera that can shoot both is incredible. I can switch back and forth between the two super quickly, and I can get all the footage that a skater could possibly want. It's also amazing because when I'm skating around the city, I need to put all of my gear into one bag. So having a really light setup that can shoot both photo and video high quality is a huge plus. To close off this skate edit, we're gonna get one final shot in 120 frames per second, 1080p video, so you can really appreciate every single last nuance of this beautiful trick.